Hey friends, if you encounter the error Realtek audio console cannot connect to RPC service, then please watch this video. Now the solution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, and so many users, hundreds of users have confirmed it. So I will believe that this is the final solution. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay. Now scroll down to the RPC service. RPC endpoint mapper. No, this one. It's RPC endpoint manager. So we will right click on it and then we will select restart if we have the option, but we don't have the option. And then we will also right click on the remote procedure call service and make sure that it is started. So if you are not having an option, then it means that it is already started. Now the next one is to reinstall all the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and select uninstall device. Then click on scan for hardware changes and action, and then scan for hardware changes. Repeat this with the second one, uninstall it, action, scan for hardware changes. Third one, uninstall it, scan for hardware changes. And this fourth one, same thing, uninstall device and scan for hardware changes. So this is how you can fix it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.